Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY Design for the 21st Century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. Well, hello everyone. Welcome to DIY Design by CCW. Thank you so much for tuning in today, guys. Guys, today I'm bringing you a short video and it is a collaboration, and it's the Spring Autism Acceptance Month collaboration. Now, this collaboration is hosted by two lovely ladies, YETRA and Lady Phoenix of Really Good Living. The co-host is the lovely LynnKelleyAuthor. Now, I don't know if you know their channels or if you're subscribers to their channels, but if not, please go down to the description box and click on the links so that you can go and pay them a visit. And again, if you're not members of their channels, I hope you'll subscribe and make sure you hit the notifications button. Same thing for this channel. If you're not yet a member and you're watching this video, I really hope you'll subscribe and also hit the notifications button. Now back to the collaboration. Again, it is the Spring Autism Acceptance Month collaboration. Today, guys, if you didn't know it, is World Autism Day. That's Thursday, April 2nd. It's World Autism Day. And as I say world, because it is recognized around the globe. Now, briefly, what is autism? I'll give you a little bit of background on autism. So, autism is a disorder, the autism spectrum disorder, and it's a developmental disability. It affects children as well as adults. And those that have autism have difficulty with social communication, interaction, and they can exhibit restrictive or repetitive patterns of behavior. Now, there is a wide range of ability among autism. Some people with autism are very gifted. Others do need significant levels of support to ensure their health and well-being. But these are great individuals. Again, their minds just work a little bit differently. But if you know someone that has autism, know that there is no known cause and no known singular effect or treatment for autism. They do have challenges in areas of social communication and interaction. However, they do learn, they do grow, they do prosper. And, they're just like us. It's just that their brains work slightly different, and that's all. So the co-host and the host of this collaboration, what they wanted us to do is use colors that belong in a rainbow. And I can understand why they chose rainbow, because the rainbow is a spectrum of lights. And rainbows have many colors, such as blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. We were to pick at least 3 of those colors. And since this is more of a spring tablescape, I decided to pick the colors of blue, green, and yellow. And also we were to put either a bird or a butterfly or a flower in our video. And I chose, as you can see, the butterflies and the birds. So guys, that was really all I had for you today. Again, I want to make sure that if you don't know anything about autism, please look it up. And again, remember that today is World Autism Awareness Day. And again, this Tablescape collaboration, you'll find others who participated under the playlist, and also the hashtag Spring Autism Acceptance Month collaboration. And remember to go pay a visit to Lady Phoenix of Really Good Living, YETRA, and also the co-host, LynnKelleyAuthor. I thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm going to let you listen to a little music while you look at the Tablescape. I just want to tell everybody, have a great day, guys. Please stay safe right now. I know that it's a scary time, but we're going to get through this. Just, stay home as much as you can. Do your social distancing. and most of all, stay prayed up. Bye-bye, guys.